Alhamdulillah. Okay, finish?
Yes, finish.
Okay, finish ya. Now we check about, tadi kan katanya something terrible happen in India kan? Di ceritanya tadi, sesuatu yang buruk, sesuatu yang mengecewakan terjadi in India. So we'll check this. What do you think happened that is terrible? Ya. What do you think happened that is terrible? Tick the box. Oke. Ini kira-kira nih apa sih yang terjadi? Apa kira-kira pendapat kamu apa yang terjadi? Apa yang masalahnya yang terjadi itu apa? Oke, tick the box. Number one, Mister ya. Mr. Crew tuh dies. Apa dies? Die. Apa die?
Mati.
Mati, oke. Yes atau no? Kira-kira jawabannya. And then number two, Mr. Crew goes to prison. What is prison? Prison artinya penjara. Oke. Mr. Crew mati, Mr. Crew masuk penjara. Oke, number three, Mr. Crew lost all his money. Loss itu apa? Kehilangan
Uang. Semua uangnya.
Oke, bisa yes atau no, terserah kalian. Kita kan belum baca ceritanya. Number 4, Sarah is poor, hungry, and sad all her life. Ya, Sarah itu poor, miskin, hungry apa hungry? Laparan, and sad all her life. Ya, oke. Menyedihkan sepanjang hidupnya. And then number 5, Sarah goes back to India. Oke. Sarah goes back. Apa goes back to India?
Kembali ke India.
Ya, oke. Jadi ada 5 kemungkinan nih. Something terrible. Apakah Mr. Crew dies? Atau Mr. Crew goes to prison? Atau Mr. Crew lost all his money? Number 4, Sarah is poor, hungry, and sad all her life. Atau Sarah goes back to India. Yang mana yang paling benar kita cek ya. Oke, menurut Fagilda, what do you think? What happened to Mr. Crew? Yang mana menurut Fagilda? From 1 to 5?
Number 1.
1, okay. Mr. Crew died. Okay. How about Resti? What do you think?
Me too.
You too? Mr. Crew dies? Okay. How about Marvel?
Apa, Mem?
Yeah, what about Marvel? What do you think? Number 1 to 5, yang mana nih? What happened to terrible-nya?
Tadi Mem jelasin nggak tahu, Mem. Suaranya putus-putus sama Crew sendiri.
Oke. Nggak jelas ya? Oke. Artika, what do you think Artika?
Ya.
Yang mana? What do you think? Number 1? Hah?
Triton.
Yang mana?
Tunggu,
Number 1?
Miss.
Hah?
Number 1.
Number 1 juga, Mr. Crew dies ya.
Yes.
Oke, kita lihat ya, isi ya. Oke, ini panjang nih. Oke. Chapter 1. Ini kita baca cerita nih ya. School in England. Oke, sekolah di Inggris ya, school in England. One cold winter day, a little girl and her father arrived in London. Sarah Crew, kalian bilang ya kalau ada yang nggak ngerti, tanya. Ya, tanya ya, Ma'am ini apa? Artinya saya nggak ngerti, gitu ya. Tanya ya. Sarah Crew, arrive ya. Arrive itu artinya tiba. Oke ya. One cold winter day, a little girl and her father arrived in London. Berarti waktu winter ya, musim salju. Sarah Crew was 7 years old and she had long dark hair and green eyes, ya, green eyes. Okay, and then she sat in the cab next to her father, ya, and look out of the window. Dan melihat keluar jendela at the tall houses and a dark sky. Di rumah-rumah yang tinggi ya, nengok rumah-rumah yang tinggi and dark sky. Langit yang gelap katanya. Kemudian bapaknya nanya, What are you thinking about, Sarah? Mr. Crow asked. Ya, nanya Mr. Crow, what are you thinking about? You are very quiet, katanya. Oke, quiet itu apa quiet? You are very quiet. Apa quiet? Masih ingat nggak? Lupa ya? Diem. You are very quiet. Kok kamu diem banget katanya ya? What are you thinking about, Sarah? You are very quiet. And then Sarah answered, I'm thinking about our house in India, katanya. I'm thinking about our house in India, said Sarah. And the hot sun and the blue sky. Okay? And the hot sun and the blue sky. I don't think I like England very much, Father. Ya, I don't think I like England very much. Ya, oke, paham sampai sini? Yes, oke, karena dia kayaknya nggak suka ya nengok very apa? The London is apalagi in winter ya, karena pasti gelap and there is no sun. Oke. Oke, this is Sarah, this is her father. Ini ceritanya tahun 30-an kali ya, 1930-an, 1920-an gitu ya. Belum merdeka. Oke. Yes, katanya jawab. It's very different from India, her father said. Ya, but you must go to school in London and I must go back to India and work. Oke, must harus ya. But you must go to school in London and I must go back to India and work. Yes, father, I know, said Sarah. But I want to be with you. Okay, please come to school with me. Ya, tolong datang ke sekolah dengan aku. I can help you with your lesson. Ya, saya bisa bantu kamu dengan pelajar, maksudnya pelajaran-pelajarannya gitu ya. Minta tolong, jangan pergi gitu. Mr. Crow smiled, but he was not happy. Tapi dia nggak happy. He loved his little Sarah very much. And he did not want, dia nggak pengen to be without her, tanpa dia gitu ya, nggak mau dia tanpa anaknya. Sarah's mother was dead, okay, and Sarah was his only child. Father and daughter were very good friends. Okay, so berarti tinggal Sarah and Mr. Crow ya, cuman berdua aja. Soon, ya segera they arrived at Miss Minchin School for Girls. Ini nyampe di sekolahnya Miss Minchin's for Girls and went into the big house. Ya, dan datang ke rumah yang besar. Miss Minchin was a tall woman. Miss Minchin, ini nama orang ya Miss Minchin nih. Miss Minchin was a tall woman in a black dress. Ya, pakai baju hitam. She looked at Sarah and then gave a very big smile. Ya, dan beri senyum yang sangat besar. What a beautiful child, katanya. She said to Mr. Crow. Ya, what a beautiful child. Sarah stood quietly. Oke, stood itu apa? Dari kata stand, berdiri. And watch Miss Minchin. Ngelihat Miss Minchin. Why does she say that? She thought. Gitu ya. Kenapa dia ngomong kayak gitu? I'm not beautiful. So why does she say it? Katanya. Padahal dia bilang si Sarahnya bilang I'm not beautiful. Why does she say it? Sarah was not beautiful. Di sini ada penjelasannya ya. Sarah tuh was not beautiful, but her father was rich. And Miss Minchin liked girls with rich fathers. Okay, because it was good for the school. Ya, bagus sekolahnya kalau bapaknya kaya gitu ya. And good for Miss Minchin too. Oke ya, Miss Minchin ini ternyata matre ya. Oke. Sarah is good girl katanya. Mr. Crow said to Miss Minchin. Her mother was French. Apa French? Orang apa kalau French tuh?
Prancis.
Orang Prancis ya. So she speaks French well. Jadi dia ngomongnya berbicara bahasa Prancis dengan baik. She loves book and she reads all the time. Okay, but she must play with the other girls and make new friends too ya. Tapi dia harus main juga sama teman-temannya katanya. Of course, said Miss Minchin. She smiled again. Sarah is going to be very happy here, Mr. Crew, katanya. Kata si Miss Minchin ya. Mr. Crew stayed in London for a week. Oke, jadi Mr. Crew stay in London for a week, seminggu. He and Sarah went to the shops, ya, ke toko gitu. And he bought many beautiful, expensive dresses for his daughter. Karena kaya tadi ya. So he bought many beautiful, expensive dresses for his daughter. He bought books. Apa bought-nya artinya?
Membeli.
Ya, dari kata buy ya. Buy, bought. He bought books, flowers for her room, and big doll with beautiful dresses too. Okay, ya. Wow, okay. This is Miss Minchin. And then this is Sarah. Okay, and his father. Okay ya. Ganteng bapaknya ya, handsome. Pantas Miss Minchin-nya seneng ya. Oke, Miss Minchin smiled. Oh, pasti ya. But she said to her sister Amelia, all that money on dresses for a child of 7. She looks like a little princess, not a schoolgirl, katanya. Kata Miss Minchin nengoknya ya. Semua uang, all that money on dresses for a child. Masa uang sebanyak itu untuk anak umur 7 tahun, katanya. She looks like a little princess. Dia tuh kelihatan kayak kayak putri kecil, not a schoolgirl, bukan anak sekolah, dia bilang. When Mr. Crew left London, ketika Mr. Crew meninggalkan London, he was very sad, ya, bapaknya ya, very sad. Sarah was very sad too, but she did not cry, ya. What is cry mean? Apa arti cry?
Nangis.
Nangis ya. She sat in her room and thought about her father on the ship back to India. Oke, ship. Apa ship? Ada yang tahu ship? Ship itu artinya kapal. Nah, berarti dia memikirkan about her father yang lagi di kapal kembali to India. Ya, back to India. Oke, father wants me to be happy, katanya. Ayah pengen aku tuh bahagia, she said to her new doll. Oh, this is the new doll, ya. I love him very much and I want to be a good daughter. So I must be happy, katanya. Dia ngomong sendiri sama dollnya ya. It was a very big and very beautiful doll. Of course, it could not answer, ya. Nggak bisa jawab ya doll ya. Namanya doll, apalagi bukan dollnya kayak Ivan Gunawan ya. It's not spiritual doll ya. Okay, Sarah soon met new friends in the school. Some little girls are not very nice ya. Beberapa dari anak orang kaya itu not really nice, nggak baik-baik banget. They think they are important because they have money and lots of expensive things ya. Mereka pikir mereka penting karena mereka juga punya uang. Jadi banyak juga anak orang kaya situ ya. But Sarah was different. She liked beautiful dress and dolls, but she was more interested in people and books and telling story ya. She was very good at telling story. Oh, dia nih bagus bercerita gitu ya. She was clever child and the other girls love to listen to her. Dia nih suka bercerita dan yang lain tuh suka juga dengerin dia bercerita ya. The stories were all about kings and queens and princes and wonderful countries across the sea. Jadi ceritanya tentang apa sih, raja ratu gitu ya, pokoknya kerajaan-kerajaan gitu ya. How do you think of all those things as her best friend? Ermengert gitu ya, nama temannya ya. How do you think of all these things? I have all these pictures in my head, said Sarah. So it's easy to tell story about them. Dia tuh udah ada bayangan di kepalanya katanya. So it's easy to tell the stories. Makanya mudah katanya, gampang untuk mencerita. Poor Imengert was not clever. Aduh sayangnya temannya tadi was not clever. Apa clever? Apa clever? Ingat nggak clever apa? Smart, sama dengan smart, pinter. Sayangnya si Emergani was not clever, nggak pinter. She could never remember. Dia nggak bisa ingat any of her school lesson. Aduh, pelajaran di sekolah yang itu nggak ingat sama sekali. And Miss Minchin was always angry with her. Nah, Miss Minchin ini selalu marah dengan dia. Sarah often helped Emmengert with her lesson. Ya, Sarah sering bantu si Emmengert tadi dengan pelajarannya. Listen, Amy, she said. You remember that French king, Louis XVI? Well, this is the story about him. One day, katanya dia mulai bercerita tentang French king tadi. Oke, ini masih panjang banget. Oke, mana. Oke, bentar lagi ya, sedikit lagi. Nah. And so Emmengert learned her lesson with Sarah stories. Nah, jadi dia belajar pelajarannya itu dengan dengar cerita Sarah tadi. And she loved her friend very much. But not everybody was Sarah's friend. Nggak semuanya nih Sarah's friend. Lavinia was an older girl. Apa older girl? Berarti lebih tua ya. Before Sarah came, Lavinia was the richest. Oke, sebelum Sarah datang, Lavinia nih was the richest. Richest itu apa richest?
Kaya.
Paling kaya. And the most important girl. Gadis paling apa important? Ada yang tahu? Ingat? Paling penting. Gadis paling penting di sekolah. Oke ya. But Sarah's father was richer ternyata. But Sarah's father was richer than Lavinia's father gitu ya. Ayahnya Sarahnya lebih kaya ternyata gitu ya. So now Sarah was more important than Lavinia. And Lavinia did not like that. Oke ya. Oh, Sarah is so clever. Lavinia sometimes said. Kadang-kadang Lavinia bilang, Sarah is so clever. Sarah is so good at French. Her dress are so beautiful. And she can sing so well. And she is so rich. Of course, Miss Minchin's like her best. Aduh, banyak banget dia bilang ya. Sarah good at French. Sarah so clever. Her dresses are so beautiful. She can sing so well. She is so rich. Jadi perfect banget ya si Sarah nih ya. Sarah did not answer when Lavinia said these things. Ya. Sometimes it was not easy. Ya, kadang-kadang nggak mudah bagi Sarah, but Sarah was a kind, friendly girl, and she did not like to be angry with anyone. Dan dia nggak suka marah dengan siapapun. Oke ya. Oke, it's a very long story. Ini belum selesai. Sebenarnya ada 47 halaman. That's very good. That's okay. Tapi ini udah sampai akhir chapter 1 ya. So chapter 1 nih dia at the school first ya. Jadi di sekolah pertama-tama dan di asrama sih biasanya dia nih tinggal ya. So ada berapa tokoh nih yang kamu ingat? Yang kamu dari awal nih ada berapa tokoh? Siapa aja? Pemeran. Sarah, Anda?
Ayah.
Ayah
Sarah.
Okay, and then what else?
Miss
Miss Minchin. Okay, good. Ada lagi? Lavinia. Okay, one more. Ermengert. Oke, Ermengert ya, agak susah ya ngomongnya. Oke, jadi ada 5 tokoh here. Lah bisa lihat ya nanti yang mana good, mana bad ya, mana good, mana bad karakter ya. From here, kira-kira yang good karakter yang mana aja? Can you see? Artika, yang good karakter yang baiknya apa aja, Tika? Yang karakternya baik nih, from dari tadi tokoh-tokohnya. Father, oke.
Father lagi. Temen tuh siapa ya nama yang
Ermengert, ya, Ermengert.
Yes.
Oke, only that? Sarah ya, oke.
Sarah.
Oke, yang badnya, is it Miss Minchin? Do you think good or bad, Miss Minchin?
Miss Minchin ini agak-agak jahat sih. Jadi.
Oke, agak-agak belum tahu ya, not really knows is it good or not ya, belum tahu. What do you think, Fadilda? Do you think Miss Minchin ini will help or not? Bakal good or not?
Not.
No. What about Resti? Do you think good or not, Miss Minchin?
Not.
No, oke. Kita lihat nanti ya ceritanya ya. It's not finished. Okay, now look at here. Nah, ini tugasnya sekarang. Tugas kalian adalah answer the questions. Ya. From 1 sampai 5, 6 dan di sini sampai yang bagian 2 1 sampai 5. Ya, so
5.
there are 11. Ada 11 pertanyaan from number 1 until 6 dan bagian 2 1 sampai 5. Oke, kalian bisa kerjakan sendiri aja, nanti tulis di buku latihan, kemudian jawab foto ya. And then kalian bisa jawabnya kan ini harus dibaca ulang. So maybe you can read from your book. Dari file tadi yang saya kirim ya, bisa dicek baca lagi jawabnya ya. Oke?
Oke.
You understand? Do you understand?
Yes.
Yes ya. Oke,
Yes.
jadi ini kan mau habis. Jadi silakan hari ini kita cuman ini aja baca cerita and then menjawab pertanyaan yang di sini ya. Yang nomor 1 nih kalian cek jawabannya apa? Dari kata-kata clever, expensive, lesson, like, princess, sad, and riches. Oke, berarti 10 berarti dia nih ya, karena kan nomor 6 satunya udah dijawab. Yang nomor 2 nih, who said this? Siapa yang ngomong ini? Write the name, tulis namanya. I don't think I like England very much. Ini yang ngomong Sarah. Gimana I must go back to India, all that money on dresses, how do you think of all those things? Sarah is rich, of course, Miss Minchin like her best. Ini siapa yang ngomong? Silakan ditulis. Oke, do you understand? Oke, so this is for today, I think. Silakan dibaca ulang and answer the question. Nanti kalau sudah silakan foto and send to me. Ya.
Habis ini lanjut lagi nggak Zoom-nya?
No. Habis ini selesai aja. Ya, karena kan ini kan banyak kalian harus baca lagi ya. Oke? Oke. Thank you so much. See you in WA group ya. Oke, thank you. Bye.
Bye.